Possibility is right there in front of us. It's everywhere we look, where we live, where we work, where we raise our family. Possibility is building a community, helping youth choose a path, easing the burden for a working mother, giving someone in need a fresh start. Possibility is finding opportunities, an expectation raised, an elevated dream for the future, an education, a job, a chance. Possibility is created one act at a time. It's helping someone homeless find a hot meal, helping a newcomer make their way, helping the elderly stay vibrant, providing a place for children to be children. Possibility is the result of unwavering support, of people choosing to help, to care, to give. Behind every changed life is someone who made it happen. Thanks to your support, together we are Possibility.